Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm just going to briefly talk to you guys about the iPhone 12 event, what we received, all the information we got, what got announced, and all the information I can just pack into a really quick video for you guys. Now, first things first, every phone has 5G, an OLED display, a new ceramic coating technology for helping you with drops, and we also got MagSafe accessory pods as well. Now, there was a HomePod mini announcement as well, which is really interesting. But if you guys see right here, we have the iPhone 12 Pro. Comes in 4 different colors: gold, blue, silver, and black. It has the 5G speed, A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest chip in a smartphone, the ceramic shield, the LiDAR sensor for the more realistic AR, and the Pro camera system optimized for low light. Now, low light was really pushed in this event. They talked about it a ton with the Pro's camera, so I'm expecting it to be really good. Now, when it comes to pre-orders for the Pro series phones, the iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch, you guys will be able to pre-order on the 16th of October, and the 12 Pro Max will be available for pre-order on November 6th. So you do have to wait a little bit longer for the Pro Max. Not the end of the world though. As far as pricing goes for the Pros, it is $999 US for the 12 Pro, just the regular one. And then if you want the Pro Max, it is $1,099 US. Now, my phone shows here in Canadian dollars, so in Canadian it's $13.99 for the Pro and $15.49 for the Pro Max. Now, if we just head back over for the iPhone 12s, you guys will see here it has all the same things as the 5G, the A14 Bionic, the ceramic coating, the edge-to-edge OLED display. It just does not have the LiDAR sensor and the third external camera lens on the back, but it does still have ultra-wide and the wide-angle lenses, which is really nice. As for the iPhone 12s, we have the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 available for pre-order on October 16th, and then the 12 mini available for pre-order on November 6th with the Pro Max. Now, the iPhone 12 mini is going to be a 5.4-inch display, which is actually really nice, and it does not lose any of the specs or internals from the iPhone 12, which is really great as well. Now, as far as pricing goes for the iPhone 12 lineup, we have the prices of $699 for the iPhone 12 mini and then $799 for the iPhone 12 to start. Now, you guys will see on my phone here, it's going to be in Canadian. So in Canadian, it is $979 Canadian for the mini and then $1129 for the iPhone 12 6.1 inch. Now, if we head back over here, we'll be able to see the MagSafe accessories. Now, there's going to be cases, wallets, and chargers designed specifically for the 12 and the 12 Pros with built-in magnets that allow for effortless attachment and faster wireless charging. So I've seen some very cool accessories like the wallet accessory and the little wireless plug accessory, which looks really great. And then we will see here that we can pre-order starting on the 16th if we want any of the accessories, and it's going to be available on the 23rd. And there is a couple different accessories that are be coming out at launch, which is really exciting. Now, if we scroll down here, we see the HomePod mini. This has room-filling sound, an intelligent assistant powered by Siri, smart home control, and everything you would really expect from the little mini. And actually, it's coming out at a good price. It's coming out at $99 US, which is going to be $129 Canadian. Very exciting. I'll probably be getting this myself, and that will be available starting November 16th. Very exciting. I cannot wait to get my hands on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I will be pre-ordering personally for this channel, so stay tuned for that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with giving you a little brief overview of what happened at the iPhone 12 event today. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.